Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss some problems on Cauchy's mean value theorem. Let us come to the first problem. Verify Cauchy's mean value theorem for the functions x square and x cube in the interval 1, 2. Okay, let us define two functions f and g as fx is equal to x square and g of x is equal to x cube. Now f and g are continuous and derivable for all values of x. For all values of x. Okay, clear? This implies f and g are continuous on closed interval ab, 1 2 here, and f and g are derivable on open interval 1 2. Also g dash x is equal to 3x square and it is nowhere 0 for any x in open interval 1 2. Clear? Therefore, thus f and g satisfy the conditions of Cauchy's mean value theorem, all the three conditions of Cauchy mean value theorem, and therefore there exists a real number c in open interval 1 2 such that f of 2 minus f of 1 divided by g of 2 minus g of 1 is equal to f dash c by g dash c. Clear? Therefore, this is equal to, this is f of x is x square. Therefore, f2 will be 4 minus f of 1 is 1 and here gx is x cube. Therefore, g of 2 will be 8 minus 1 and f dash c is 2c. F of x is x square, f dash x is 2x, and same way here this is 3c square. Now this is equal to, this is 3 by 7 into 3 by 2 is equal to c by c square, and this is 9c square minus 14c is equal to 0. That is 9c minus 14 is equal to 0. This means c is equal to 0 and 14 by 9. Now 14 by 9 is equal to 1.55, and out of these two values of c, clearly this does not belongs to 1 2, open interval 1 2, but this value belongs to open interval 1 2. That means there exists at least one, there exists a c here, real number in the open interval 1 2. Hence Cauchy's mean value theorem is verified. We are getting at least one value of c here. Okay. Therefore, CMVT is verified. Cauchy's mean value theorem is verified. Okay. Now we come to the second problem. If in the Cauchy's mean value theorem, if in the CMVT f of x is equal to e of x and g of x is equal to e of minus x, then show that c is the arithmetic mean between a and b. Okay, we have two functions here, fx and gx, defined as f of x is e of x and g of x is e of minus x. We have to show the value of c is the arithmetic mean between a and b. Okay, that we have to show. Now here f of x is equal to e of x and g of x is equal to e of minus x. This means f of a is equal to e of a, f of b is equal to e of b, g of a is equal to e of minus a, g of b is equal to e of minus b, and f dash x is ex, g dash x is equal to minus of e minus x. This means f dash c is equal to ec and g dash c is equal to minus of e minus c. Okay, now we have f and g being the exponential functions. F and g being the exponential functions are continuous, being the exponential functions, being the exponential function, f and g are continuous and derivable for all x. Also, g dash x is minus of e minus x, that is minus 1 by e of x, is nowhere 0, is nowhere 0, nowhere 0. Okay, therefore all the three conditions of CMVT is satisfied. Therefore by CMVT there exists at least one real number c in the open interval AB such that f of b minus f of a divided by g of b minus g of a is equal to f dash c by g dash c. This is Cauchy's mean value theorem. This gives e of b minus e of a divided by e of minus b minus e of minus a is equal to e of c and minus of e of minus c. Clear? Now this is e of b minus e of a divided by 1 upon e of b minus 1 upon e of a. Clear it is? Okay. And same way here it is e of c and this. Okay. I can write this as this, and this is nothing but this is equal to minus e of 2c. Okay. Now this is equal to e of a e of b into e of b minus e of a divided by e of a minus e of b is equal to minus of e of 2c. Clear it is? Okay. Now next, this is equal to minus of e of a e of b is equal to minus of e of 2c. This will get cancelled out. Now this is same as e of a plus b is equal to e of 2c, and from this we get a plus b is equal to 2c, that is c is equal to a plus b by 2. This is nothing but the arithmetic mean between a and b, that is c is arithmetic mean between a and b. Clear? That what we have to prove. Okay, that we have to prove c is arithmetic mean between a and b. Has proved. Now we come to next problem. Okay, problem 3. We come to next problem. Third, show that sine alpha minus sine beta divided by cos beta minus cos alpha is equal to cot theta, where 0 less than alpha less than theta less than beta less than pi by 2. Okay, next we have to show this. Okay, now we define two functions. Let f of x is equal to sin x and g of x is equal to cos x. Now f and g are continuous in closed interval a alpha beta. We are taking alpha beta to be the interval, and f and g are derivable in open interval alpha beta. Okay, clear? Now next, also g of x is cos x, therefore g dash x will be minus of sin x, and it is not equal to 0 for any x in open interval alpha beta, since alpha beta lies in the interval 0 to pi by 2. Since 0 less than alpha less than x less than beta less than pi by 2. Okay, in the first quadrant, 0 to pi by 2. It is nowhere 0. Therefore, all the three conditions of CMVT, Cauchy's mean value theorem, are satisfied. Therefore, by CMVT, by Cauchy mean value theorem, there exists theta in the open interval alpha beta such that f of beta minus f of alpha by g of beta minus g of alpha is equal to f dash theta by g dash theta, the Cauchy mean value theorem. And this is equal to f of beta is sine beta minus sine alpha divided by cos beta minus cos alpha, and this is equal to f dash theta will be cos theta, and this is minus sine theta. Okay, now this is equal to sine alpha minus sine beta. Here we have a minus sign. Taking minus outside, it is minus of sine alpha minus sine beta. Then minus minus will get cancelled out from both sides, left side and right side. And this is divided by cos beta minus cos alpha. And cos theta by sine theta is nothing but cot theta. We know this. This is equal to cot theta, where theta lies between alpha and beta, which again lies between 0 and pi by 2. Okay. Hence proved. Okay, clear? Now that's it for this video. In my next video, I'm going to discuss Taylor's theorem and Maclaurin's theorem. If you have any queries or any suggestions, please write to me in comment box. Thank you.